Greeting viewers, today we will be making instant macaroni, which will be ready in just 10 minutes. It will be very tasty and delicious. Let us start the recipe. See viewers, I have taken a clean pan. We will turn on the flame underneath it. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful, keep the heat on medium. Now we will add 2 tablespoons of cooking oil to it. Let the cooking oil heat up. See viewers, our oil is now hot. Into this, we will add about 1 teaspoon of garlic paste. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful, we will roast it for just 2 minutes so that the raw smell of the garlic goes away. Along with that, we will now add some chicken cubes. I have taken about 4 to 5 tablespoons of thick chicken cubes. We will roast them for just 5 minutes so that any smell or rawness of the chicken is removed. See viewers, the chicken has been cooking for 5 minutes, and since it is boneless chicken, it cooks very quickly anyway. Now we will add some vegetables to it. Let us see what they are. I have taken a small tomato, removed the seeds from the center, and cut it into cubes. 1 small onion also diced, about half a capsicum cut into cubes, and half a cup of chopped cabbage. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful, we will add all of these to the pan. This instant macaroni will be ready very quickly. If you feel a little hungry and want to eat something quickly, just make this and enjoy. You do not have to cook the vegetables for too long, otherwise their taste will be spoiled. We will cook the vegetables with the chicken for just 2 minutes. 2 minutes have passed while cooking the vegetables. I had about 1 large bowl of macaroni, which I had already boiled. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful, we will add this now. Add half a teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder, and half a teaspoon of oregano. Mix all these ingredients well and cook the macaroni for 5 minutes. 5 minutes have passed while cooking the macaroni. Now we will turn off the flame and finally add tomato ketchup. Mix it well. You can also add seasoning according to your taste, as much or as little as you like. At this stage, you can check the salt as well. Our instant macaroni is now ready. Now, we will serve it for the final look. See viewers, our instant macaroni is ready. Let me know in the comments box how you like this recipe. God willing, I will be back with a new recipe. May God protect you.